So today I'll be showing you how to screen mirror your Galaxy A27 5G wirelessly to any smart TV. It could be an LG smart TV, Samsung, TCL, doesn't really matter. So first thing you need to do is just make sure the Galaxy A26 and your smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now with both the phone and the TV on the same Wi-Fi network, all you have to do is go to your phone, swipe down from the upper right side to go to the quick settings panel, and then you want to give it a little scroll until you see this option called Smart View. So you want to tap on Smart View, and then if it's the first time you're gonna see this window, you hit continue, and then it says Smart View uses these permissions. Hit continue, and then now it's gonna start looking for TVs. Now you can see it's already detected my TV. All I have to do now is tap on it, and then it says start mirroring with Smart View. Tap on start now. It's gonna connect to my phone, to my TV. And as you can see, there's a request on my TV that Galaxy A27 5G is requesting to share to your TV. So with your remote control, click on accept, and it should be good to go. There you go. So there's a screen of my Galaxy A27 wirelessly mirrored to my smart TV. Now the instructions might differ slightly depending on which brand of TV you have, but that's the general way of doing it. Now once you're done screen mirroring, you can simply come back to that option. Let me show you. So if you swipe down and then go back to Smart View, you can actually end the screen mirroring session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.